Coach, how about James Yap? Because of course, he's still a two-time MVP. Still has few years left. What's your plan with James?
I spoke with James. He's one of the first vet players I've spoke to.
Yeah.
Today, actually. He's congratulated me, and I just told him, I myself, as well as the rest of the staff, have the end game in mind for him.
All right.
We want to try to keep him, first off, try to get him in peak physical condition.
Okay.
To kind of get through the entire grind of, we don't know if it's going to be a bubble or not, but we all know how taxing it was in the bubble in regards to the physicality and the lack of preparation time and lack of practice time. So it's something that we're addressing. So we can kind of keep him as fresh and healthy throughout the entire season, because obviously we want to have him in the postseason.
All right.
During those critical games where we're going to need his experience and ability to close out games.
All right.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
I mean, I myself as a coach, a part of away from managing all the different personalities on the team, improving their skill sets, I got to find a way to put them in a position to really where we can maximize them.
Yeah.
Maybe talk to him and pick his brain a little bit and feel him out of where he feels he can be most effective for us, what kind of actions, and then we can kind of work off of that.
All right.
But I'm looking forward to really seeing James Yap at his best.
Okay.